Hello, Ms. Hefner. This is Mr. Gibson, and I will be going over the problem that you said you had an issue with. Starting here with A, you had the correct formula because it gave you the answer here. So it's f of t is equal to a negative 13.72 t squared plus 6.23 t. What's that? Plus 1.97. So they want us to find the t-intercept. So I'm going to make this a lot larger. Okay, to find the t-intercept, that means that f of t would be 0. So it would be 0 is equal to a negative 13.72 t squared plus 6.23 t plus 1.97. Now you chose to use the quadratic formula, which was fine. So we had x is equal to the opposite of b. B here would be 6.23 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which would be 6.23, and we would square it, minus 4 times a, which would be a negative 13.72, and then times c, which is 1.97. And this is all divided by 2 times the a value, which is negative 13.72. So now we will have x is equal to, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this calculator, I'm going to move it over here. I think this would be a better position for it. Okay, so I'm going to do the denominator first because that's kind of easy to do. So it'd be 2 times the negative 13.72. Our denominator would be a negative 27.44. Okay, now for our numerator. Now I want to do what's under the radical first. So we would have 6.23, and we have to square that. And then it'll be minus 4 times a negative 13.72. And then that will be multiplied by 1.97. And under the radical, we will have 146.9265. So we will have a negative 6.23 plus or minus the square root of, what's that, 146.9265. Now, our next step, we could do this one of two ways, but since we have a calculator, I would suggest that we do it this way. We bring the calculator back, and we would make this, well, I guess we could do it like this. We'd take a negative 6.23, and then we'll do the addition part first. So it'd be plus the square root of 146.9265. Press enter. Now this is what we have here, and we will have to divide that value by a negative 27.44. Now if I'm not mistaken, the directions tell us to round to 2 decimal places. So one of our zeros would be a negative 0.21. So we know we would have x is equal to a negative 0.21. Let me erase that. So it'll be a negative 0.21. That will be one of our x values. Now we will go for the second x value. Now we would basically type in the same information, except for instead of a plus, we would do a subtraction. So that would give us a negative 18, and then we'll divide that by a negative 20.